Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to speak about network cables, specifically network cables that are from reputable places, and why you shouldn't probably not buy cables with a specific that is sourced by the company itself that sells the cable. If let me go to the web page where this is sold. Just one moment. And we're going to talk about the problem here. And it'll take a little bit of time. This is a normal network cable Cat 6 does, but there's something fishy about it. If you do this, it doesn't feel right, and the plastic doesn't feel right either. It just feels wrong. I'm gonna show you. Let's see here. Take a little while to set up. With there we go, a camera here, and let's see. It was a 25 meter, I think it was. Meters. And there we go. And just switch over here. If you can see here, this is basically the one I bought. Probably not this one actually, because this is actually not the one, because this is from Luxpart and not from Shell Company. They had basically bundles of these where they had the Shell Company logo from the company itself. That it was like, yeah, that sounds good, right? Perhaps it's this either. Anyway, it was cheap as fuck, and I bought it, and you can't find it anymore on the page here. So that's probably good, because there's Luxpart again. Anyway, it was sourced by Shell Company themselves. And let me just show you the problem with these. So let's just do this. And here we go. Here we have the cables, and they behave strangely. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna switch over to the camera. Here we go. Anyway, here. See this? This behaves very strangely. I couldn't figure out why. So it's basically been a while since I bought these. Did this. So it works, but it's wrong. It's just something's very wrong with this cable. I couldn't figure it out. You get the right connection speed and all of that, but it just feels too light. It just feels like it's basically feels like you're holding air. And what it was is, let me just remove the packaging or this isolation around the leads, and already I can feel that this is just wrong. So let's do the trick. And voila, aluminium. Shell Company has been selling aluminium as copper. And if you, this is just feels wrong. If you got a real network cable from a that has been sourced from a real place that sells to electricians and stuff like that. And this, you do this, it feels right, you know. It doesn't bend back. This one, like, doesn't feel right. It doesn't even sound right. Listen. Just make we'll change the filters a bit. Let me see here. That is the one from Kjell Company. This is Kjell Company brand even. And here we go with the real one. Just remove the back cord, middle cord. You can hear the difference. This feels like this little cable here basically weighs as much as half of this. This is basically twice this. So something is definitely wrong with this cable. So I've learned my lesson that don't buy a company that the reseller sourced materials because it's crap. Buy something from Delta Co if you're in Scandinavia, or from reputable brand, and probably don't buy cut pieces. Like those 25-meter things. Buy a bloody box. Yeah. Buy a box instead. This is crap. Don't ever buy this. If it feels too light, it is crap. I'm quite because when I installed this, I knew something was wrong because it didn't feel right when I tried to bend it around corners and stuff. It just look at this. It just doesn't fit. It just doesn't bend well. There's a real network cable. It bends and it stays there. This doesn't stay. This is aluminium. This is copper. Just wanted to show you that. And here we got more of these copper crap shit. Fuck you, Kjell Company. I don't know the sourcing process that Kjell Company has, but it's disastrous. They should probably get someone to look over the sourcing if you're going to source stuff, please make sure that it's real. I'm sorry, Kjell Company, but you're a bunch of fucking idiots. Goodbye, and thanks for watching. See you next time.